What's up guys, welcome to your 5th PHP tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the if, else statement. Now last time I taught you guys how to use the if else statement, which meant we told PHP, alright, we're going to give you something to do. If it's this, do this. If it's that, do that. But see, that only gives you a limited number of choices, but what if you want to tell PHP to have some more choices? Well, that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. So let's go ahead and create a variable. I'm going to call mine Steve. And let's go ahead and create a basic if statement. And I'm going to say if the variable equals Steve, and notice I use two equal signs. That means if the variable is exactly equal to the string Steve, then we want you to echo, hey Steve-o. Now, in the last case, if you wanted one condition, you would use the else statement, but we want more than one, so we're going to use something called the else if statement. What this does is allow you to use this multiple times and give PHP multiple amount of choices. So we're going to say if var, the variable, is exactly equal to Brian, then we want you to echo, hey there, Bri. Now, you can use this else if statement as many times as you want. You can use it just one time, or you can use it 40 times. It doesn't matter. As long as you include the word else if with a condition after it, you can use it as many times as you want. Now, our last statement in every statement, we always end the if else statement is of course the else. Now notice that I do not give a condition after it. This is because PHP already knows, alright, if none of these conditions are true, then that's when we want to do the else. So this condition only executes if nothing above it right here can be done. So we want to say if none of that can be done, then we want to echo, you idiot, because that means we messed up, and we don't want that. So as you can see right now, the variable is Steve, so it should execute hey Steve-o. So let's go ahead and save this, and I'll refresh my page, and as you can see, it says hey Steve-o. Let's go ahead and change the variable to Brian. As you can see, in our else if statement, when the variable is exactly equal to Brian, should say hey there Bri. So let's save this, refresh it, and as you see, hey there Bri. Of course, lastly, if we set the variable equal to something, we'll call it Dan. As you can see, this only has Steve and Brian, it doesn't have Dan. So else, if it doesn't match any of these, echo you idiot. So that's what it should do. So let's save that, refresh. Of course, it echoes you idiot, just like we want it to. Now, to recap one last time, if gives the first condition, you can use as many other choices using the else if. And lastly, if none of the conditions are true, then that's when you want to execute the else statement. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you next time, I guess. See ya.